guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make chicken pakora. Let's get started.
First, we're going to marinate the chicken. We use 2 chicken breasts cut in cubes. First, add ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of each. Next, add chopped curry leaves, and chopped coriander leaves. Next, we're gonna add half teaspoon of cumin powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 2 teaspoons of cashmere chili powder. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Next, add 3/4 cups of Besan flour and 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Add half a lemon. Next, add some salt for taste. Add some oil and mix it. I need help mixing it because it's hard. While marinating, add some water. Marinate this for at least 2 hours. It has been 2 hours. We are going to fry the chicken. Add enough oil for deep frying. Wait for the oil to get very hot. Our oil is hot now, so now we're gonna deep fry. Lower the heat to medium. Our chicken is now ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.